Welcome back to LUTE Labs. In the last few videos, we've learned to create nodes, their three different types, and how to connect them together. But none of that actually matters until we can trigger the nodes, and that is what event handlers are intended for. As we briefly noted, every node has an activate by property field. It's just a drop-down of what should trigger it. This ranges from game started, update, input events, or something more bespoke, like animation events or locations. Let's check it out in the editor now. Okay, so we're back in the Unity editor with our basic scene open, and we have created a node with a simple dialog border on it, in which Dr. Hippo is going to say hello world. But right now, this node won't be executed during runtime because there's no event handler attached to it. To add an event handler, we simply select the node and head on over to the inspector, find the activate by drop-down field here. There's a few options for activate by or event handlers. The most common one is game started, which fires the node the moment the game begins. It's exactly what LUTE gives you automatically on the starter node when you first create your Flow Engine window. Update fires the node continuously, frame after frame, useful for nodes that need to keep checking on something. Beyond that, there are handlers for inputs, for conditions, and for locations. You can add custom event handlers, and we'll discuss it later on in the video series. So you can activate your node in a myriad of different ways during runtime. So for now, we'll just add the game started. The game started simply, as we've discussed, executes the node when the game starts. You can change the wait for frames field, so the game actually waits a certain number of frames before the node is executed after it begins. As we've previously noted, the node changes to a kind of cyan color, and in the triangle braces you can see the event handler name itself. This means you can look at the Flow Engine window as a kind of overview picture without actually having to look at the inspector properties to understand the flow of your game. So if we play this game now, we will see that this node gets called straight away and our dialog pops up. So that wraps up our tour of nodes. We have learned how to create them, we've learned the core three types, and how to connect them, and how to trigger them during runtime. Thanks again for watching with LUTE Labs, and see you in the next one.